Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Divoom Pixoo64 display. And if you guys remember that Bluetooth speaker I reviewed a few weeks ago with the pixel art display on it, same company, they also sent this along for me to check out, and I've been using it as a weather display in my room ever since they sent it out. So this one is actually Wi-Fi enabled, so you can control it from the app from anywhere. You can power it on and off right here, adjust the brightness, and you have all your options down here, as well as the clocks that I have added to it. So I use this one right here, the weather display, which I will insert some B-roll of this, what it looks like in person. So the weather display, it gives you your date, time, day, weather conditions, temperature with the high and low, and then a 4-day upcoming forecast right down there, again with the weather conditions. So it'll actually be animated with, like, if it's going to rain, it'll have a cloud with the rain going back and forth on it. If it's going to be like partly sunny, it'll alternate between sun and cloud, and then it's got the high and low temperature under that. I've got some other just like standard clocks. We've got the clock here, it'll show your weather, your temperature, this little kind of retro computer looking thing which you can put customized text on. You can do a YouTube counter for your subscriptions, or sorry, your subscriber count for your channel, or how many views your channel has. You can do stock ticker, stuff like that, Bitcoin, all kinds of different stuff you can put on this display. And then you can also customize some of these that have other options. You can choose which what things it displays and stuff like that right on the display. So I'm going to insert some different clips of what it looks like, what the different options are, and what I use it for throughout the video, like I said. But those are just some of the different options. Like I said, you can choose different text and stuff like that for these. You can download more. You can make custom images on the app, a bunch of different stuff. Like you can do your temperature here. You can put different custom text on here. So like right here, it'll say hello because that's what I put right there. A bunch of different stuff you can download and add to it. You can use it as a scoreboard, so you can put that up on there and have it as a scoreboard. Stopwatch. It does have a built-in microphone, so it also does. It'll show like audio, like it'll change like different animations and stuff like that for audio in the background. So very, very cool. Like I said, I just leave it on this one right here for the weather because I can glance over at it in my bedroom. So I'll show you guys what that looks like, and that is the Pixoo64 or Pixoo64 from Divoom. I will leave a link to where you can pick this up. There is a discount code in the description for them as well. Makes a great holiday gift. One other thing I want to add is the brightness also has a timer, so it does go down to 50% brightness at night. That is customizable with the time and the brightness that you want for like a sleep mode. If you don't want it blasting, bright light in your bedroom or wherever it may be, you can do that and use it at night as well. So that is the Pixoo64 display. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.